My name is Isaiah, and today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair using O'Douds products, and hopefully I can give you some tips. So the two products I'm going to be using today are O'Douds' styling treatment, and this is the old formula before they they just went through a new formula, I guess, with the styling treatment. And then their collaboration project with the Shear Revival, the wax. So I always like to start off with damp hair, as you guys can see. And you're gonna want to just take a little bit. It smells really nice. You're just gonna want to take a little bit because a little of this stuff runs, or a little goes a long way. That's what I was trying to say. What I like to do is, I like to actually brush it into my hair, brush the product, so it's always good to either comb or brush it back, or however you're styling your hair. Now when you're blow drying, it's always good to use a medium heat to really try and get that volume. And if you're really trying to get volume, make sure you always blow dry your hair in the opposite direction of whichever way you're trying to go. And then at the end, once you're done blow drying, use the cold air. And using the cold hair will actually help lock your hair into place, and it'll give you the style you desire to last longer throughout the day. So let's start blow drying. So now my hair is blow dried, finished. Now I'm finished blow drying my hair. Now we're gonna apply the wax, of course. So now what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to give you a strong hold, volume, texture as well. Yeah, voluminous and textured hairstyle. And it can be applied to both damp hair for weight or for more redefined styles. But me, I personally like to blow dry my hair, as you can see. Yeah, so we're gonna apply it. Now we're going to use our combs. I like to use the more wide tooth for this part to bring down my sides and really just comb everything together, and then come through with the more bigger and wider tooth comb to make it look like like I ran my hands through my hair, just to give it more texture and volume, I guess you could say. So. And that is how I like to style my hair. So I hope this helped you guys. And I just gotta give a big shout out to O'Douds for making such great products. So I hope that helped you guys, and I hope you guys all have a good day.